everybody, Rachel from Curious Cat Books. I just thought I would do an unboxing today in this lovely summer weather. So this is my order from Selfridges, and I ordered, I don't know how many of you follow me on Facebook, but I ordered a really cute writing buddy. So I've decided that today I'm going to unbox that writing buddy for you on camera. So here we go. So it comes in this lovely package. And he's wrapped in tissue paper. And he's so cute. This is the JellyCat latte coffee cup, and he's an Amuseable by JellyCat, and he's just the cutest thing in the world. So he's my writing buddy, and I actually have two more of these on the way. I have a toast, a little piece of toast, and I have a cappuccino coffee cup coming as well. So when they arrive, I'll do little unboxing videos for them because they're coming from a different company. I ordered this 2 days ago from Selfridges, and postage was super cheap, I think, and delivery was in like 48 hours, and it's a Saturday today, so it's been delivered on a Saturday. So especially at the moment with things being delayed because of COVID, I'm actually really impressed with the Selfridges delivery. So I'll link this little guy below if anybody wants to go and get him for their own writing desk. He's so cute. I need to think of a name for him now. I've had some good suggestions on Facebook, so if you have any suggestions for me, go on Facebook and leave the suggestions for what you think I should call this little guy in the comments, and I'll choose a name. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, have a good weekend, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye.